Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech World. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you can be updated with the future video uploads.
In this tutorial, today I'm going to talk something that is called border properties. So we all know border plays a very important role in the appearance of any website. It looks very good. It looks very beautiful when a border is defined very well. So in this tutorial I'm going to tell you. So I have already written the codes here of the style of CSS and this body. So here I have defined a class dotted. So the tag p with the class dotted, border style will be dotted, p dot dashed, border style will be dashed, and p dot double, border style will be double, p dot group, border style will be group, p dot rise, border style will be rise, p dot none, border style none, there will be no border, p dot hidden, border style will be hidden, p dot mix, border style dotted, dash, double, solid double. We can give so many attributes in mix class. Now we will run this in Chrome. See here, different types of border style. This is dotted, this is dashed, this is normal border, solid, then this is double. So there are lots of borders. So these are the border style: dotted, dash, solid, double, groove, ridged, inset, outset, none, hidden. And we have used a class here. So thanks guys for watching the video and subscribe my channel, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next videos.